Figo Meow mechanical pencil. This pencil is 0.7 mm tip, comes with a theme as Meow. This pencil cost about rupees 15, comes with a free lead box. Let's take a look at the pencil itself. The body is transparent. The design is given in the inner body. The blue and the graphics looks nice. The eraser at the top and the cap looks fantastic. Figo branding here. The pencil looks premium. Yes, it has a needle metallic tip at the front. Interesting. Altogether, this pencil looks premium with a theme Meow. Targeted for children's. A nice move from the brand Figo. The free lead box. Figo is already having ink pens in their lineup, fountain pens. Is following this kind of premium pencils at this price point. Looks nice. This pencil writes slim. It is 0.7 mm tip. The color is medium. It holds well. The transparent body gives a nice feel to hold. There is no grip, but it feels nicely in hand. The lead is good. It doesn't break often. Back impression is minimal. Altogether a nice pencil, a premium pencil from Figo. At this price point, rupees 15. Thanks for watching.